guys, today we got a surprise from our mom and dad, and we are at Legoland. Welcome to Legoland!
Woo! So what are we gonna do? Make some videos and we'll show people all the cool stuff here?
Yep. We're gonna show you guys all the pictures, and we're gonna try to do a challenge to take a picture next to every single Lego person we see.
Ooh.
Yeah.
I wonder how many there's gonna be.
5,000.
All right, stay tuned.
See you guys soon. Pew!
Hey, question, kiddos. Is the long trip gonna be worth it or no?
Yes.
Yes? What do you think, sis? You think so? You guys excited or no?
I'm super duper 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 duper.
Take the exit toward Harriman Drive.
Dupa dupa dupa. Super dupa dupa.
The traffic
Almost.
circle. Take
2
the second
minutes, it
exit onto
says.
Harriman Drive.
2 minutes, so we are there.
Yep. Got some energy to burn off. Got some energy.
The surprise place.
Everything is awesome!
Alright, we got a little circle.
Yeah.
Going around the circle.
I can't wait. There's 2 minutes left till we get there. I can't wait for 1 minute. It is 1 minute. It's 1 minute. 1 minute left. 1 minute. We are at the surprise
In a
place.
quarter mile, you will arrive at your destination.
We're at the surprise place. 1 minute. Till we are at the surprise place. 1 minute. We're at the surprise place. How many minutes are left? It's still 1 minute.
You're gonna sing the whole time we get up there?
Everything is awesome. Everything's cool. You've got everything. Where did you get the Legos from?
Because I don't know where you got that from. He was just singing it.
Everything is cool when you're part of everything. Everything is awesome when you live in a dream. Everything is awesome.
What's over
You
there?
can look out your window. Legoland!
How awesome was it the time that was singing the Lego song and he didn't
Yup.
even know?
There
Look
it
at Legoland!
Wow!
Lego Hotel!
Wow! We get to sleep in Legoland?
Oh my goodness!
We're sleeping in Legoland! We are sleeping in Legoland. I'm going to sing Lego songs. Hi guys, today we got a surprise from our mom and dad, and we are at Legoland. Welcome to Legoland.
Woo! So what are we gonna do? Make some videos and we'll show people all the cool stuff here?
Yep. We're gonna show you guys all the pictures, and we're gonna try to do a challenge to take a picture next to every single Lego person we see.
Ooh.
Yeah.
I wonder how many there's gonna be.
5,000.
All right, stay tuned.
See you guys soon. Pew!
You guys got your own bunk beds.
What's that? Treasure hunt? Treasure chest.
Hey.
In your room. There's a treasure chest. You gotta find the answer.
Oh, we gotta find the answers. Ninjago.
Hi guys, we're at LEGOLAND today and we're going to be riding this ride.
This is the Gravity Trainer. You excited?
Yep.
Yeah, we'll have to go through all today, we'll go on all the rides, and then we'll rate them to see which one's the best. Sound good? All right, join us for the adventure. Hey, we're on the Gravity ride. You ready for this?
Yeah.
Oh, man. All right, we just got off of the Ninjago Gravity Trainer. What do you rate that out of 10, FrozenUnicorn?
10.
That was a 10? Oh man, that was our first ride, so we're going to see if we can beat that. All right, sweet. We'll have to go on to our next ride, and we'll see you guys in a bit. Getting started on the Ninjago ride. We'll let you guys know how it is.
Come here.
Whoa, you feel that fire? All right, we just got done with the Ninjago, the ride. What'd you think?
It was awesome. It was 3D and it was like they're all like coming at you.
Yeah? Was there, like when the fire came, didn't it feel warm? And what about when the blizzard came?
It like blew wind in your face.
All right, so on a scale of 1 to 10, what do we rate this ride?
10.
10? Oh, we got 2 10s in a row. Now it's time to head to the castle. Ooh, heading to the castle. Oh, look at the guard. Wow, look at this castle. Ooh, and the dragon ride over there. That's what we're gonna go check out. Let's go on the dragon ride. What do you think? It's gonna be good? Yeah? I bet it'll be a 10. Whoa. Alright, we'll let you guys know how it is after. You excited? 10 billion? Wow, I think that was our best rating yet.
Yes, it was.
My favorite part about this ride, one, when you're waiting in line, it's like you're in a castle. And then when you go through it, you actually go through a castle and
Yeah.
see Lego characters before you do the ride.
Yeah. And the ride's like so quick. And if you ever come to Legoland, you definitely have to go on this ride. I saw you guys on the ride.
All right, what'd you get, TT boy?
Brownie.
Oh, where's he from?
Frozen 2.
Nice. We can do that tonight?
Yeah.
Hey, TT boy, go check it out. See which one you are. Let's see who you are, man. Whoa, that's crazy guy.
So today,
All right, TNT boy.
So today, this is the funnest day. My dad went on a movie ride with my sister, and now my mom is going on it with my sister, FrozenUnicorn, and it's a really fun day.
It's a really fun day. What was your favorite thing so far?
I got my driver's license.
Oh my gosh, tell me about that.
So, like, I was waiting to go into cars, and then when I was, and at the end, I smashed into the wall.
Oh, did they take your driver's license away?
No.
No?
I got it after I got out of the car and out of the car truck.
Oh. So are you gonna drive us home?
Daddy.
All right, we'll be back more with some more Legoland updates.
Do, do, do.
All right, we just got done on the carousel. What do you think?
It was slow but fun.
Slow but fun. Yeah, kind of for probably younger kids, huh? What would you rate it? 5? Yeah, not as cool. What's going on behind us? Let's do a little turn here. Whoa! Is this song gonna get stuck inside our head? Oh my gosh, sis, there's so many things in here. We gotta check out this whole store. Whoa!